Hi, I'm Mahtab. You are watching Best Belly Dance Workout, the best YouTube channel with belly dance tutorials, tips and exercises. This is a video number 3 from the series Belly Dance Tutorial for Beginners. Let's start. In this tutorial I will show you the shimmy. Two basic types of the shimmy in Oriental dance, chest shimmy and the knee shimmy. Stay in a basic posture that I showed you in the tutorial number 1, with feet close together, bended knees, lower abs in, opened chest, arms in the second position. Now twist your shoulders. Put one shoulder to the front and then second at the same time to the back. And change. Front and back, front and back, front and back, front and back. And now do this move faster. Keep the isolation. This move stays only in the shoulders. Arms are in the same place. And now faster. Breathe easily. Keep the basic posture all the time. This move stays only in your chest, in your shoulders. So keep the energy only in your upper body. Lower abs in, bended knees, feet close together, and breathe all the time. Your muscles need oxygen. They work a lot right now. So this is a very fast move, front and back, only with the shoulders, when we want to create a nice chest shimmy. And what about the knee shimmy? Here we will move our knees front and back. It's just like walking. We can even bring the heels off the floor. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. And now relax your legs, relax your belly, relax your booty, and do this move but faster. So here the knees are moving very fast front and back. You can gently bring the heels off the floor, or you can keep your knees still in this move front and back, but with the heels on the floor all the time. So this is very fast move, front and back. Just relax your legs, your belly, your booty, and let this shimmy go through the legs till the belly. And keep the isolation. So head stays relaxed, chest stays relaxed. This move is only below the belly button. So this is only move front and back. For the beginners, you can start with your heels off the floor. And then try to do this with your heels on the floor. If you would like to learn more types of the shimmy in Oriental dance, check complete belly dance course available on page Best Belly Dance Workout, where you can learn all moves of Oriental dance, soft elements, hard elements, arm moves, shimmies and traveling steps. And as you are watching this tutorial on Best Belly Dance Workout, I have a special discount for you. Just write me an email and I will write you back with all the details. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to leave thumb up, subscribe and hit the bell to get notifications about all new tutorials. And if you would like to learn more about Oriental dance, visit page bestbellydanceworkout.com, where you can join free subscription or get access to my unique online belly dance programs like complete belly dance course, isolations and layers program, 15 minutes workout, and also highlights of belly dance course, Oriental dance marathons, live workshops and private classes with me. On bestbellydanceworkout.com you will find also Bellyctionary, the biggest online belly dance dictionary. Thank you and see you in next videos.